So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see that your iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max would not turn on or charge. So guys, if your iPhone and 16 Pro would not charge, so maybe there are the several reason, and in this video we will find some troubleshoot step to resolve this solution. So guys, first thing is connect your iPhone to charging source using the original charger. So guys, you make sure that you are always using the original charger and adapter. Ensure that the connection are secure and they try to different power outlets if it is necessary. And guys, allow your device charger for at least 30 seconds. If the battery is completely drained, so it may take some time to before it shows any signal. Okay, and another thing, check charging accessories. So guys, inspect your charging cable and adapter for any sign of damage such as frickling or a bend if it is possible. So you try to use the different charger that is now to how to work. Okay, sometimes our charger is not working but someone's charger is working, and maybe the problem with the charger. And you also try to clean your charging ports, so make sure there is no dirt and unwanted thing in your charging port, so you try to clear it once. Okay, and guys, if you're facing problem after following the steps, so you need to contact with the support team. So for contacting the support team, you just go to the your software Safari browser, where you search getsupport.apples.com. Then click on the iPhone. In the iPhone, you going to the section of repair and the physical damage. Then move downward and find the option that battery services, and then continue. And here you entered sign in, and as well as you schedule a repair for any authorized service center. Okay, and you also read some article about your phone and about your charging process. Okay, for example, if your iPhone and iPad touch would not charge, so you also read the article, and they also provide some advanced fixes of your devices. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. I hope this video is very helpful for you.